Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this beans roll. So if you are interested to know how I made it, stick around and let's get started. So I'm going to start by adding my evaporated milk inside my bowl. I'll add some warm water, sugar, yeast, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to be mixing everything together. So now I will be adding the flour. I'll be adding it bit by bit and I'll mix it properly because I want everything to incorporate properly. So guys, I'll be leaving all the ingredients and the measurement that I use for this recipe. I will leave it in the description box below so you can check it out if you want to make this recipe. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sade. Feel free to watch the video. So guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and set the notification bell to all. In that way you'll never miss any of my videos that I'm going to be uploading on my channel. Thank you. I'm going to be kneading the dough with my hands. You need to knead the dough very well. Then you cover it with a cling film and allow it to rest for about 2 hours. For my old subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. I really appreciate the fact that you guys are always coming back to watch my video. Please guys, help me to share the video and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for everything you've been doing. I really appreciate. So now I'm going to be chopping the onions and the pepper that I'm going to use for the beans. Here is the beans that I'm going to be using. In my pot, I'll be adding some vegetable oil. I'll add my onions. I'll add scotch bonnet. Maggi cube. I will allow it to saute for 1.5 minutes. Now I'll be adding the beans. I'm just going to stir everything together. Then I'll allow the beans to cook for about 5 minutes. So now I'm just going to mash the beans. You don't want to over mash the beans because you don't want it to be too smooth. Just the way I'm doing it here. Here is the dough. The dough has rested for about 2 hours. I'm just going to knead it a little bit. Then I'll start to roll the dough. So guys, this recipe is a requested video from one of my amazing subscribers. She said when she was in Nigeria, she loved eating this beans roll, but she don't know how to do it. And she asked me, could you please do it in your channel? I said yes. Then I decided to do it to make her happy. So you guys can try it at home and tell me how your own comes out. If it comes out well, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be dividing the dough so that it will be easy for me to work with. Here is my beans that I'm going to use. I'm just going to be rolling the dough into a square shape. I'm going to be trimming the edges so that I can have a perfect square shape. I'm going to be adding the beans. And please make sure you seal it properly so that your beans roll will not open while you are frying it. So guys, as you can see the way I'm doing it, use your fork to close it properly. Remember to do this so that when you are frying it, your beans roll will not open inside your oil. So remember to do this process. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've rolled this and I'm going to be using this pan. I'm just going to repeat the process one more time for you guys to see. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and set it to all so that you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. And guys, you don't need to pay any money to subscribe. It's a free to subscribe, and you can please share this video, share it to your friends, share it to your family, share it to anywhere you want to share this video to. That is just the only way you guys have to support me. Thank you, and God will bless you if you do that. Here is the finished beans roll. I'm going to be frying them now. I'll be using vegetable oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. And please, you don't want your heat to be too high or too low, because if your heat is too high, your beans roll will cook outside but inside will not be cooked. And you are going to cook this beans roll for about 12 minutes. I'm just going to flip the other side, then I will allow it to cook. So guys, our beans roll is golden brown, so it's time for us to take it out of the oil. So you need to put it in a kitchen napkin to help absorb the excess oil. Here is the end result. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another recipe. Ciao.